What's the best PC we could possibly build? Well, today we're going to find that out. For our CPU, we will use a Ryzen 9 5950X. For our motherboard, we'll use an MSI Mag X570. For our RAM, we will use 4 sticks of Corsair Dominator Platinum. For our graphics card, we will use a Gigabyte Aorus water-cooled RTX 3090. For our case, we'll use a Corsair iCUE 5000T. For our power supply, we will use an Asus ROG Thor power supply. For storage, we are using an SK Hynix Gold P31 SSD. For cooling, we are using the Corsair HydroX custom water cooling kit, and this PC comes in at a whopping price of $6,500.